Why check fresh lease documents before investing, you ask, right? Good question. Checking fresh lease plot documents is an essential step in property transactions, particularly in the context of oil and gas leases, though the principles can be broadly applied to any land lease. Here's a beginner-friendly guide on how to proceed. Understanding lease checks. A lease check is a preliminary step in assessing a tract of land for potential obstacles before signing a lease. It includes verifying the title and checking for any active leases on or near the tract. Key steps. The process involves several steps, including the lease check itself, mineral ownership report, drill site run sheet, drill site title opinion, title curative, and division order title opinion. Identifying obstructions. Look for issues like new or existing oil-gas leases on the property, inclusion in a pooled unit, or leases in their primary term. You might need to expand your search to nearby tracts to ensure no older leases are affecting the property. Title issues. Be aware of potential title problems such as liens, bankruptcy issues, or clouded titles and deeds. These can delay or encumber the leasing process. Online research. For title or deed research, gather information such as the property address, owner's name, and a date range. If you have the parcel identification number, PIN, you can quickly locate the property. Deeds, which are legal documents for title transfer, are crucial in this research. Lease check records. A lease check should include evidence of mineral leases, lease ratifications, memoranda of leases, and royalty deeds. Surface use agreements and pooling agreements are also critical to understand the full legal status of the tract. Remember, this process requires attention to detail and thorough research. It's often beneficial to consult with professionals in the field, especially when dealing with complex legal and property issues. That's where Retech comes in by providing you with the best value properties out there. Like, subscribe. Yes, subscribe and hit the bell icon.